welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make this stunning beaded football using beautiful pearl and crystal beads. Let's dive right into the materials you'll need to get started. 6mm pearl beads, 6mm crystal beads, split ring, a lobster clasp, and a small jump ring for the attachment. Nylon thread. Pick up 5 beads, slide them into place, and tie a knot. Then, pass both ends of the wire through a few nearby beads and tie another knot for extra strength. Finally, just trim off the excess wire. By securing those beads, you've created a beautiful little flower shape. You'll need 6 of these pieces unit in total, so go ahead and make 5 more to complete the set. Now, thread one of these pearl units onto your needle followed by a crystal bead. Repeat this alternating pattern 3 times and you can pause the video to check the exact placement. Next, pass your needle and thread through the very first pearl unit you started with to create a secure loop and connect the ends together. After that, weave the tail end of your thread through a few nearby beads. Tie a couple of secure knots to make sure it's completely locked in, and then you can trim off the excess thread. Now you'll want to pass your needle through one of the pearl units in the base. For the next step, pick up one crystal bead, then a pearl unit, and finally another crystal bead. Now, pass the needle through the side pearl bead, then the crystal bead, and then through the base pearl bead. After that, pass through the next pearl bead along the base to attach the next unit. Now repeat this same process 2 more times. Now pass the needle through that final base bead, the next crystal bead, and the side pearl unit. Next, add one crystal bead and thread it through the opposite side pearl unit. Pull the thread to pull everything together, and you'll see the first half of your football shape take form. Now pass the needle through the beads to bring it to the upper pearl bead. We'll join this half with the one we made earlier, connecting them together to create the full ball shape. To connect the two halves, pick up a crystal bead and pass the needle through an upper pearl bead on the other half. Then, add another crystal bead and pass through a bead on the first half. Continue this zigzag pattern back and forth between the upper beads to join both parts securely. Thread that jump ring, with the lobster clasp and split ring already attached, onto your needle. Pick up that final crystal bead, and pass through the next upper bead. Pass your needle through a few nearby beads, and through the bead where the jump ring is attached a couple more times. Then, tie a few secure knots to lock everything in place before trimming the excess. Your beautiful beaded football keychain is complete, featuring an easy technique that anyone can follow. I hope you love it as much as I do. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to reply. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.